Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Gildo glass butt plug number 23. So let's get started. So this is the Gildo glass butt plug number 23 itself. As you can see, this is no ordinary butt plug. This lovely transparent butt plug from the Gildo collection is a unique sex toy made entirely out of glass. The plug is heavier and smoother than regular butt plugs and has a beautiful blue spiral in the shaft. The plug can be used with any type of anal lubricant and it's very simple and easy to clean as well. The plug has a medium size and can be used by both men, women, beginners and experienced users as well. It features a flat base just here as well, and it features a narrow tip so insertion and removal is simple and easy. Because it's glass, it can also be used for temperature play, so you can pop this butt plug in cold water to enjoy cooler sensations or warm water to enjoy warmer sensations. As mentioned earlier, you can use any lubricant. We'd recommend to use a water-based lubricant, or you can also use a silicone-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. Make sure to clean the glass butt plug after every use, and for this we recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. You can use the Gildo luxury toy bag to pop your glass butt plug in as well. This helps to keep it discreet and dust free as well. And that's the Gildo glass butt plug number 23. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.